for the 2016 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. Platform 4.
This is St Helens Bridge. This train is for Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. The next station will be Stepford Central.
This is a metro service to
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for trains to Beachley, Stepford UFC, Stepford Victoria, Whitefield and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
the platform.
The train now standing at platform 8 is the 2023 Stepford Connect service
This
to
station is
Leighton City.
Stepford Central.
Calling at
This
Stepford
train is
East,
for
St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. Is the 2020 Stepford Express service to Benton. Calling at St Helens Bridge and Benton. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention, please. The 2036 service from Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 10 for the 2024 Stepford Connect service to Port Benton.
Between the train and the
Calling
platform.
at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. The train now standing at Platform 4 is the 2025 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Milcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The 2025 service from Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 11 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Metro service to Stepford, Victoria. Calling at Financial Quarter and Stepford, Victoria. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.